It sounds like it has an exhaust leak on the left side.
It probably really does.
Yeah.
I don't think we ever put that back on.
Oh.
Riding in the blowed up Cobra. She's knocking, I heard it.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it for sure. Traction control, traction control. What, was that traction control?
I don't have traction control.
Oh, it was acting like traction control,
Yeah.
wasn't it? Holy shit. It's just running, it ain't ran it for so long.
Yeah.
I see your temperature gauge never came back.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's gay.
That thing, line of its own.
Well, let's see if we can finish her off. No. I mean... Yeah, it doesn't like that.
Yeah, it don't.
It does not like that.
It likes first gear.
Second, it said, no.
Second. Fuck that.
Wow. Hey, at first it was pretty quick.
Yeah. It pulled the same, it felt like.
Oh shit, yeah, dude, it was pulling right there. Let me see if I can hear the engine on video.
Oh my god.
Here, do it again. Hey, rev it up again. I can see the smoke on camera. Don't rack it off, but give it some 4,000.
4,000?
I think I know the side the bad cylinder is
Yeah.
on.
One more?
No, I can see that it's not having a good day right now.
It's definitely not having a good day.
Let's see if I can hear some knocking. Sounds like you got a leak or something, vacuum leak.
What? Vacuum leak.
Yeah, for sure.
Kill it, I don't want to push start it.
Thing's running like ass. I can hear it missing. There's 100% some kind of vacuum leak going on up here too.
I know it. I see it, I just don't see the hose.
That's why it's probably doing that in second.
You see that little knob right there? Straight down?
Oh yes, I do.
Yeah. That's where it's coming from. It's blown up.
Alright. Oh my god.
Dude. Yeah, this thing is not happy right now. You gotta think about it though, it also ain't been ran in months.
I don't want to resend it. It's hot stuff. Actually, I got to do it. No, I do.